Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this video. Do you know how many letters do we have in Dari or Pashto alphabet? And what is the difference between these two alphabets of these two languages? Also, what is the relationship of Dari and Pashto alphabet with Arabic alphabet? If your answer is no, then this video is for you. Basically, we have 32 alphabetic letters in Dari language, and among them, the word alif is written in two forms. One is simple, which is alif, and another is alif mat, which just have a mat. But this does not affect the number. Among these 32 letters, there are 28 letters that we can find in Arabic language, so we call them the shared alphabet. And there are just 4 special letters that are in Dari language, and they are dedicated to this language. As you can see this in this table, they are marked with a red color, so they are P, Ch, J, and Gof. Now coming to Pashto alphabet, in Pashto alphabet we have 44 letters. Among these 44 letters, there are 32 that are common with Dari alphabet, and there are 28 that are common with Arabic language. The rest 12 is just exists in Pashto and not any other language. And as you can see in the table, these letters highlighted with the green color, and they are T, Se, Z, Dal, Re, Ge, Khe, Yachin, Nun, or Run, and for Ya, which have different sounds. If you want to learn more about each word in detail and want to acquire more knowledge about their way of writing, pronunciation, and etc., you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or our Facebook. You can find many free lessons there. Thank you for your attention. Wishing you all the best.